Hey, good morning. I have 6 geocaches that are disabled and 3 others that I need to check on. So today, as I do my chores, I'm going to see if I can take care of 6 of them. Come join me. Alright, so our first one is here. It's just had a DNF on it. So I'm going to go check. I think it may be gone, but we'll find out. All right, I didn't remember the exact height, but it's there. And so I'm going to go ahead and I will log a owner maintenance on it to let people know that, yeah, I did check on it, and we're gonna do that owner's maintenance, which we should do anytime we check on any of our geocaches, even if we don't have to do anything to them. Then we're going to go to Costco and then check another one. All right, here at Costco, after a little boo-boo, we'll be right back. So an hour later, has anybody ever done a quick trip to Costco? But we're heading to the harbor, go check on a geocache that's probably gone. All right, we are here at the Ventura Harbor Wetlands Ecological Reserve. It's a windy day. I'm not sure how much talking we'll do out in the field. But there's a letterbox here. A group of 2 could not find it, both experienced geocachers. So I'm going to go out, see if it's there, and if it's not, I'll be replacing it. So let's take a walk. Well, marketed as a wetlands ecological reserve, this area is actually the settling ponds for the sewer treatment plant. So treated water is put in here and allowed to soak into the aquifer. But it is a nice little walk. There's 3 little ponds here. The birds are frequent visitors, and it's actually a really nice place to take a walk. Well, as somewhat expected, this one is not here. It was a pretty easy find. As a matter of fact, if you look around, you can probably spot where it is. All right, back in the car where it's nice and warm and not windy. I have gone ahead and logged my owner maintenance and re-enabled the geocache. Well, you guys have probably never experienced this, but my daylight is shorter than my list. So I'm just checking on one more. There used to be a sign here and I had a little wedgie in there. and the sign's gone. I don't know what the plans are for it to be replaced, but I did find another place for a geocache, so I believe we're going to archive this one and set a new one. But what I'm going to do now is just tell you, hey, thanks for joining me.